sucker for you, wishing we'll be out here soon. So tell me if you wanna, 'cause I got this feeling. I wanna hear you say it, 'cause I can't believe it. With every touch of you, it's like I've started dreaming. 'Cause heaven's not that far away, and I'll be singing la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la.
Continuez sur Anticordon pendant 6 km.
I'm just riding down to the rhythm of your way.
Des ralentissements sur l'autoroute 20 Ouest entraînent un retard de 14 minutes. Vous êtes sur l'itinéraire le plus rapide. Et à votre destination vers 4h47.
I'll be singing la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking me la 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 la. You're breaking.
So Bad Habits has gone #1 in the UK. I want to say thank you so much to everyone that made this happen. I've been away for such a long time and I really don't take this for granted.
And we don't take him for granted. I promise you one thing. When you're old, you're going to look back and say that Ed Sheeran is the voice of our generation. Here he is with his latest. It's Bad Habits for right now.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger.